Hi there, it's Shelly from Taming Frenzy, and I just wanted to share a quick little tip. Okay, you know how you come home shopping from one of the big box stores and you have all of those plastic bags left and you don't know what to do with them. You hate to throw them away, yet a lot of times you don't remember to take them back to the store to recycle them. Well, I've got a little tip for you, okay? First thing that we do is we take them and we put them in an empty Kleenex box, okay? We keep some of these in the car, we keep them around at different locations, but what we use them for is this. You have a lot of empty trash cans, maybe in your bathroom, underneath your desk, by the couch, different places. What you can do with those empty plastic bags is when your trash can's empty, take and put a bunch off down in the bottom. And then take one and line your little trash can with it so that you don't have to spend money buying a trash liner. You've got these already anyway. They're free. Otherwise, they're just going to go in a landfill somewhere, which they don't need. When you get this all filled up and you're ready to take the trash out, you just pull it out, tie it up, and you've got your next one down there ready to go. Easy peasy, okay? Way to save money, way to save a little time, way to tame a little frenzy and make your life easier. That's it for right now. Hope you have a great day.